Hi, Roadside RC at Vivid Aerial. We are here to pick up the Losi Super Rock Ray. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Look at this Super Rock Ray. Check it out. We're gonna see what is in the box. Look at that. That is cool looking. So it's the Baja Designs. What do we get? We have batteries for the controller. We have normal wrenches and stuff. What is that? What is that thing?
Those are connectors, probably
For something.
for your battery.
Maybe for the battery or something? And what the heck is that thing? There's another thing. I don't know what those are. So, what have we got? We have cardboard that we don't need. You know that. Other cardboard that we don't need. And then... oh, that is heavy. Here, grab that box. Check. Oh, that is cool. Check that out. Take the cover off. Dang, those things are huge. Functional spare. I don't know, man. That's pretty fun. So with this off, one of the things that we see, I think that's not 17 millimeters. I think that's bigger than 17, which means putting other tires and wheels on it might suck. So we might have to swap that to a 17. I think I have some 17s at home, so we might just give that a shot and see what that looks like. It's got the rear diff housing looks beefy, drive shafts look great. You know, that is all super cool. Lots of really cool scale details. Those nets are really actually rubber, which is kind of fun. Mirrors reflective. That is pretty cool. So one of the things that we want to know is this battery tray is cavernous, and so one, you can see the plug comes through the side here. How does the batteries that I currently have fit? Oh gosh, that's tight. So these are some 5800. These things are very long, but they will go in there. I'm surprised. That actually goes in there pretty good. Okay, so you can weave these through here, and this will... it's tight for those big batteries. For something like these 3S's that I have, they will literally be falling around in there. Don't need the extra plastic, and then this will just clip right back down in beautifully. Check that out. That is awesome. First, my understanding is it's only... Is that awesome?
It's huge.
Yeah, that's a big box. So check this out. Check this out, guys. So look at the fire extinguisher, the mirrors. The mirrors are actually reflective. Feel that. It's actually rubber.
I noticed when you were doing this, there's red right here for the brakes.
There's actual brake rotors in it, yes.
Can I see?
That. You can kind of look in there and see them, yeah.